प्यारे बच्चों, from this sketch you have to find the value of x and y. First you remember a straight line is 180 degree. Straight line is 180 degree. Another thing, opposite angles are equal. When lines are parallel, if that lines are cut by the transversals, then sum of adjacent angle equal to 180 degree and alternate angles are equal. Please you write in your page in right hand side. So now here when this angle A, this X, suppose this is M, this is M, this is M. Angle AMP equal to X, therefore angle QMB equal to X. This is the first point over, but they asking the numerical value of X and Y. Now you see this line that PQ parallel to BC in this time and this AB is the transversal. So X plus Y equal to 180 degree. तो हम पहले लिख लेंगे when PQ parallel to BC and AB is the transversal, AB is the transversal, therefore angle X plus angle Y equal to 180 degree. Clear? But I don't know what is the value of X and Y. I have to find it. Now here given 3x plus 10, the angle is MBF. Here you see when this is 90 degree and these two lines, that means BC and D is parallel. So this angle should be 90 degree. Again I am telling you, when D parallel BC and this angle, that is BFE is 90 degree. So this line should be 90 degree. Clear? Now you see when it is 90 degree and whole angle is 270 degree. So when angle BC parallel to DE and angle BFE is 90 degree. Therefore, angle ABC equal to 90 degree. Now you see, when complete angle is 360 degree, therefore, आप यहाँ लिख लीजिए, therefore 3x plus 10 plus y equal to plus 90 degree equal to 360 degree. Therefore 3x plus 10 plus y equal to 270 degree. Now you see x plus y equal to 180 degree. So therefore, यहाँ लिख लीजिए, therefore y equal to 180 minus x. Now you put this value here. Therefore 3x, this is plus 180 minus x equal to, this will transfer here, so it will become 260 degree. Now here 3x minus x is 2x and 260 minus 180 equal to 80 degree. Therefore x equal to 40 degree. Same, when x equal to 40 degree, therefore y equal to 140 degree. and this is your answer. प्यारे बच्चों, बहुत ही आराम से एक के बाद एक स्टेप कीजिएगा. जैसे मैंने बोले हैं, स्ट्रेट लाइन इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री, ऑपोजिट एंगल्स आर इक्वल, एडजस्ट सम ऑफ एडजस्टेड एंगल इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. आपका आराम से इस ढंग का क्वेश्चन बन जाएगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.